Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't been posting lately as I have something on. So today I'm just gonna do a short Python video. Recently my friends have challenged me to this challenge, clicks per second, how fast you can click. So I'm just gonna try it manually. Okay, this link will be in the description and go. My score has been 8. I've tried it like 4 times. But today I'll be using an Autoclicker with Pyautogui. So today I will be using PyCharm, another link in the description. And so for now, I'm going to be teaching you how to build a Autoclicker with PyCharm and Pyautogui. So first things first, when you open this, create your file, you need to pip install Pyautogui, like this. But then it says requirement already satisfied because I already downloaded it. So now first line, remember to import Pyautogui. Correct. So this is going to restart. So you want your mouse to click here, correct? So before anything, you need to identify where you want your mouse to click. So you want to print Pyautogui.position. Like this. This will tell you where your mouse is at, and then you just start, and then you can see this is where my mouse is at. So I'm just gonna hashtag it. Okay, done. Okay, so now remember for Pyautogui.click, the X position, Y position, amount of clicks, the interval per click, and the button. So today we'll be accepting inputs. So first you want to make clicks equal to the integer of the input of clicks, which will be this, and then you want to make, and then interval equals float. You need it to be float, as usually if you want your Autoclicker to go really fast, you need a fast interval, which is basically usually in decimals. So once you're done with that, you remember your XY, you trigger the code Pyautogui.click. X is 377, Y is 410, clicks is clicks, which is defined here, interval, which is defined here, and most importantly left, because you want to, for this it's left click, not right click. So you're actually done with your code. So, and then you want to calculate your CPS. So your CPS is, give me a second. Your CPS is the amount of clicks, and I think this is how it works, right? Yeah. Like this. Let's say I have 1,000 clicks. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing today is 1,000 clicks at 0.01 intervals, because you don't want your device to lag. So clicks like this, make sure your times. So here's the CPS, and you just print. We have type, remember your quotation marks. We have typed at the speed of CPS, and then here is CPS. We're actually done. So if we run this, you just want to mentally calculate in your head. Let's say you want 1,000 clicks, and then in 1 second, how do you make sure that that number is 1? You divide it by 1,000, which means you times 0.001. And you start clicking. Okay, then here we go, 999 CPS. It's really, really, really fast. Okay, I think there's an error with this. Apologies. How do we fix that? So if you're typing at 1,000 CPS, it's the other way around. Sorry, yes. Do that and do that. Just run that. 1,000 0.00 1,000 0.001. Just run that. 1,000 CPS, correct. Okay. So this is how we do it. It's that simple, right? But then we can also elevate it. So we also can do, let's see, you see that's for this website, link in the description, there will be a lot, let's say clicks in 5 seconds. Right? Clicks in 5 seconds. But then the point is that it lags a lot. So it's a bit hard, right? So in my opinion, what I would do is a okay, I've experimented. Is a 0.03 interval that won't lag. So you want to make it 5 seconds long, you just do some math, but which I'll do later. So since it's a new slide, I'm just gonna hashtag all. Oh, sorry, wrong. So I'm just gonna ignore all this first in the meantime. Ignore that. And again, you just want to print your Pyautogui position. You don't want to click at a random spot. 5 seconds, that doesn't even do anything. Alright, then just run. Then you have your XY. Really simple. Okay, so just gonna change my values 424 402. So I'm just gonna go with calculator. So for the calculation, right, it's 5 seconds, and according to my experimenting, it's 0.03. You want this interval. So in 5 seconds, the math it's this, which is so I'm just gonna do 200 clicks. I think if I'm not wrong, I think my math is wrong. Sorry, I have bad math. Okay, let's say we're just gonna try like 200. Okay, 200. Okay, so we're gonna run 200 0.03 0.02. See, it clicks really fast, but I think the interval is a bit too long. Wait, sorry, 50 CPS. Okay, that's a horrible click speed. I'm gonna increase it, but I think I'm just gonna make it 1,000. I'm going to restart. 1,000 0.01. Oh, I think it's 0.003. Oh, I'm lagging. Okay. I think it takes 10 seconds for this, according to my math. Aha, done. 100 CPS. This is too long. So let's stop this. Then let's run it. Restart. Okay, so let's say you want 0.003 as your time, right? So you want 5 divided by 0.003, which gives you a few thousand. So I'm just gonna do estimate 2,000.003, and there we go. It clicks at a sonic rate. Okay, that's fast. I think We don't want to go for accuracy. Let's sort of roughly to gauge around 2000. Okay, make sure to restart. Oh, let's just let that run out. Restart. You can challenge your friends as well. So if you want and see it lags. See it lags a lot. 0.1000 CPS. Wow. Okay, let's make it to 1000 CPS, okay? Let's try 10,000. 0.001. Ooh, okay, that's it hurting my computer. Wait, I think that's too much, right? Aha, done. So we are done. So now we can move our mouse. Because the Python code is already. But as you can see, we glitched out the system, and maybe not, and nearly 2000 CPS. So you can have fun with this. Wow, 2000 CPS. Okay, that's a big lot. Yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. You can challenge your friends, link in the description, and remember to follow. You can text me on Discord, and please subscribe and like. Maybe I'll post another video on speed typing. I'm not sure. Okay, bye guys.